Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week tutorial, I will show you how to create and share a Canva template link. Perfect if you want to just click on three dots icon and then just make a copy and then just rename the one of them as the template like this, and then just open it like this, and then just tap on share, and then just scroll down and tap on CO, and then just click on the template link, this one like this, and then just tap on create template link, and like this your editable template link is ready. Just copy it and then share the link with your buyers or audience. And if you ever want to remove or disable it, just simply tap on delete template link. And okay, that's it, quick and easy. Your Canva template is ready to sell or share. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.